Hey, what's up guys? What's going on? Welcome back to Kitchen Tonic. Welcome back to another brand new tasty recipe on the channel here. In this video here today, we're going to be making a nice vegetarian styled stir-fried chow mein, guys. So to begin with the ingredients here, we're going to be using about one medium-sized red bell pepper as well as half of a green bell pepper. We're also going to be using 1 teaspoon of allspice powder, as well as 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. We're also going to be using some hoisin sauce here. Over here I have 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. I have 1 teaspoon of ginger that we're going to be using as well. So 1 teaspoon of salt that we're also going to be needing for this recipe here. Over here I have 2 chow mein seasonings that I'm going to be using for this recipe as well. We're going to be using some garlic as well as some onions, some julienne, carrots, and the star of the show here, which I have about a 12-ounce packet of chow mein that we're going to be using for this recipe here as well. We're also going to be using some mixed vegetables as well as some spinach for this recipe here, and also some oil to begin frying up or sauteing our vegetables and everything. So let's jump over to the stove where we're going to get this recipe going. Okay guys, so as you can see here on my stove here, I have my wok here going. We're going to go ahead and drizzle some of our olive oil into the pan here, and I do have my heat here on about medium heat, and we're going to begin sauteing our garlic as well as our onions and ginger. So we're just going to go on in and put those in there. And in goes our ginger as well, and we're just gonna saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright guys, after about 2 minutes of sauteing your garlic and your onion and ginger there, we're gonna go on in and add some sesame oil to our pot here. I'm also going to go on in and add my carrots to this pot here as well. You want to add the vegetables that's going to take a longer time to cook here at this point here, so that it has enough time to cook. I'm going to go on in with my bell peppers as well into my pot here. Alright guys, after about another 2 minutes, we're going to go on in with our hoisin sauce into this dish here, or into this pan here as well. I'm going to follow that up with one of my chow mein seasonings here, and you guys can probably find these at your local store. This is the Guyanese chow mein seasoning. I'm going to go on it with my second packet of chow mein seasoning there. Alright, we're also going to follow up with our allspice powder into this pot here as well. We're also going to go ahead and add some salt, and you want to add salt based on your taste or your liking, your preference. I'm going to go on with my mixed vegetable as well as my spinach. Alright guys, and finally we're going to go on in and add our chow mein into this pot here as well. And you're just going to go on in and mix that up as thoroughly as possible. Alright guys, and just like that, we're finished here with my stir-fried vegetarian styled chow mein, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to try this recipe here, and I'll see you guys again another time for another video.